Hello and welcome to the InClix Creative Media Maker Design Tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through the basic steps to create, save, and export a new project. So after your project has been created, this is the main Creative Media Maker tool interface. It consists of the canvas, the top navigation menu bar, and the side tool module bar. The first tool is the image search. And when you click on it, you'll see this toolbar is built with a drawer style interface. So each of these icons have different capabilities. So let's get started with our design. To search for an image from the libraries, you can type in any subject keyword. So let's type in the keyword flowers and hit enter. Right now, the proprietary image search engine is pulling the best in class, high resolution images from industry leaders in stock photography. Of course, all the images are legal to use. This is such an amazing time saver. And you'll see we have a couple of options in this panel. You can choose to filter your image search selection by the resolution size of your photos, depending on the overall dimensions of your project. These small thumbnails change the size of the images you see in your gallery. And as you can see, these images will be assigned a dollar amount in the bottom left corner of each thumbnail. There is also this cool free images only checkbox if you're looking for something completely free of charge. For this design we're doing, we will make sure that the XL image is checked because we want to produce a large printed banner, and let's also check the free images only for this tutorial. All right, let's select an image that we like. Once you find something great, you simply click to drag and drop the image anywhere on your canvas. Once in the canvas, we can easily edit or manipulate the image for the design. By using the intuitive icon handles on the image box, we can rotate, you can scale, you can use this one to clone it, or this trash can icon deletes it. So let's scale it. You just click and drag it to scale it out. We want to pull it out to full bleed here. All right, it's looking great. So now our banner needs some text. Next, select the toolbox module to expand the drawer and click on the text icon, which will display the text editing palette. From here, we can begin creating and editing text using the text editing tools. At the text palette, you'll just type into the entry field, Mother's Day Sale, and click Add Text. All of this text is vector fonts for large format and scaling. Okay, so we'll close that and make sure our text is active, and you'll see this new text formatting box where you can change the color and formatting. So let's change it to white, and let's choose a better font. There are all sorts of great web-based fonts to choose from. So let's see, maybe a nice fun script font. Oh, this is nice. Yeah, Lobster looks great. Okay, here we go. Similar to the image box editing, you just grab the icon handles and you can scale and position the text to your desire. All right, this is looking great. But you know what? It's not perfectly legible for my liking. So watch how cool this is. Let's make sure our image is active again by clicking on it, and you'll see this little image palette pop up here on the left. And you click on the image filter panel, and there are all these great pre-built filters. Or you can manually adjust the brightness and contrast. So you just click and drag, and there we go, look at that. Now it's looking much better. All right, it's looking really good, but it's still missing our company logo. For this next step, we will go back to the module, click on the Art Upload icon, and this is where you can add your own images or logos. Currently, it accepts JPEGs, PNG files, or SVG for vector file formats. So you can either just drag and drop a file from your desktop, or let's click on the File Upload button, and we will locate the logo file. There it is, and click Choose. It will quickly add it right into your upload library. Now you just drag and drop it anywhere on the stage, and you can resize it, you can rotate it, and move it around just like the image. All right, so let's try it over here. That's not looking right. Let's try it in the corner. Let's move it over to center. There we go, that looks good. We can also use the draggable guides for the positioning and alignment of the logo to the text, make sure it's all lined up. There we go, looks good. So let's click on the Save button, and this will bring up a dialog box that has several options. We'll teach you more about these various options in a later video. For now, notice the Lock the Project checkbox. This is how you eventually finish and produce the final print-ready file. But for now, we're just going to click Save. Saving the file takes us directly into the Project Manager page. And in here, you can see a list of all your projects where you can administrate and manage your projects. And if you want to get back into a project, you click on the green plus button on the far left side. This expands the details of the project. And down at the bottom, you'll see these green buttons. So to get back into our project, let's click Edit. All right, so this brings you right back into the design tool for the project. And so here we have our Mother's Day banner again. And at this point, when it's all done and it's been approved and is ready to be finalized, we are going to render it out to a PDF. So let's click the Save button again, and it will bring up the same dialog box. Now, this time, let's click on the Lock the Project checkbox, and it will verify that locking this section will lock this project and will now be ready for payment. Once a project has been locked, it can no longer be edited, and now you can click on the Buy Now button to purchase and render the project. If there were any stock images that needed to be purchased, it would take us through that process here. But since we used a free image, it will render and have our final file ready for us. Now it will take us back to the Project Manager page. And if you click on the green plus button, you will see there are several new options added to the row of green buttons. There's a Generate PDF button, you can view the final design, or you can save it right to your Google Drive. So let's view our final design and make sure everything is looking good. Oh, look at that. It's a print-ready, high-res file produced in just minutes. From here, you can save it directly to your G Drive, and you can share the PDF. You can set up your own G Drive in the user profile section. So that was a brief overview of this powerful software. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and now it's time to get cranky. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel or follow along on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram for the latest tips, tutorials, and updates. Thanks again.